How to use code in Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can use a referral code, maybe any type of code that you've received on Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to use a code in Cash App, then all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App on your phone, you're going to land on this page where you just have to tap the profile icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. And if you have received any type of general code and then you want to redeem it, then all you need to do is scroll down all the way to the very bottom. Here you'll find a section called enter referral code. So all you have to do is just tap the enter referral code button. It's going to simply ask you to enter the code, so you might as well go ahead and make sure to enter the code that you have. Then just tap the next option over here. If the code is correct, Cash App is going to identify that and then give you some rewards based on the type of code it is. That is it on how you can use code on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.